The tree drive pattern is harmonic formation that tells traders the chance of the possibility of the market reversing with a prolonged price trend. It can help identifying both buying and selling chance opportunities for the traders in the market. It's a powerful chart pattern because it covers not only quantitative aspect of the currency price movement but also its qualitative outlook. It helps traders understand the competitive advantage of the currency that they wish to trade in. The pattern recognizes more significant retracements of the currency's price and outlines projections to ensure that trades place successful trades in binary options or forex markets, so can works with both markets. So in this video, let's go to trade with this strategy and put in practice everything that I learned about this strategy just in the last 24 hours, only using the 3 picks or the 3 drive pattern is the strategy name, so we can use this strategy to have more successful trades in your day trading. This is the 3 drive pattern rules. Point A show always the 61.8% retracement of the first drive. Point B, be the same level of retracement as mentioned before of the second drive. The second drive should always be an extension of 127.2% of point A. The third drive should always be an extension of the same level as mentioned above the point B. You can watch this image with this example to understand better that I mentioned before. So let's go to test this strategy and wish me good luck. Okay, finally, the 3 drive pattern or the three hits strategy use charts, patterns, and technical retracement levels, enabling trades to understand market reversals and benefit from the same. Since it is a rare emerging pattern, it can be easily spotted if it exists in the chart. So I really hope so this video like it and you understand how to find the 3 picks using this strategy for your benefits. Please leave your comments and let me know what you think about this new strategy for binary options. See you on the next wave.